Hi, I'm here to introduce you to Shawls for All. And this is a book collection a little different than we've done in the past. So what Shawls for All is meant to do is take you on a little adventure in shawl making. So if you've been interested in trying your first shawl, or perhaps you've made one and you'd like to do more, this is a great way to just give you an intensive shawl workshop. So what we've done is we've given you two different yarn weights, so you can choose from lace weight or fingering weight. Then you move on to the shape of your shawl. We've offered 6 different shapes and sizes, multiple sizes within each shape for you to choose from. The next choice you make on your adventure is the stitch pattern. So what kind of stitch pattern do you want to use for the body of your shawl? And we have given you 12 selections there. Next for you on your adventure is the edge. So we have fancy edges with picot and scallops, or you can do a simple edge to your shawl. Again, you're choosing your own adventure here. The last choice you have to make is in the binding off of your shawl, and we're teaching you 3 different methods. So what you do is you pick each of those and you design your own shawl. So we hope that you'll come on a shawl making adventure with us with Shawls for All.